Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your passbook with Samsung Pay full guide step by step clearly. To recover your passbook with Samsung Pay, begin by unlocking your Samsung device. Locate the Samsung Pay app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap on the Samsung Pay icon to open the app. Once the app is open, sign in with your Samsung account if prompted. After signing in, look for the menu icon, typically found in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon to reveal the navigation options. Select cards from the menu list to view your saved cards. If your passbook is missing, tap on Add Card to start the recovery process. Choose the option for Add from Passbook if it's available. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your passbook to Samsung Pay. If you don't see the option, select Enter Card Details manually. Input the required card information accurately, including the card number and expiration date. Once you have entered all necessary details, tap Next to proceed. Samsung Pay may prompt you to verify your identity through a security method, such as a text message or email. Complete the verification process as directed. Once verified, your passbook will be successfully added to Samsung Pay. Review the added passbook to ensure all information is correct. If everything looks good, you're ready to start using your passbook with Samsung Pay. For any issues, revisit the Samsung Pay app and check the support section for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.